Hi everyone, this is Mr. Lim here again, and we're going to be learning about carboxylic acids, the last functional group before we get on to other stuff. And so let's go have a look at what's there. Okay, so this is what we're going to be learning about carboxylic acids, how to name them, how to draw them, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so carboxylic acids, again, are organic substances which have a COOH functional group. You know what functional groups are. Electron dot diagram of that will look like this. Okay, so you've got a, oh, no, let's do this properly. You've got a single bonded carbon to the rest of the carbon chain. We'll call that R. Okay, it's a double bond, a single bond to an oxygen. Okay, which is single bonded to a hydrogen here, and then it's a double bond to another oxygen here. Okay, so it's also going to be written like this. Okay, like that. So that's the carboxylic acid group. Okay, these carboxylic acid groups are found only on the ends of carbon chains because they're formed from the oxidation of primary alcohols and, well, aldehydes as well, right? So, and also the idea is that you've got 1, 2, 3 bonds already consumed by the functional group, so therefore you've only got one bond left, and so therefore you must be on the end. All right. Carboxylic acids. Naming a carboxylic acid can be done by adding a suffix to the base hydrocarbon name. What's the suffix? It's oic acid. So we have butanoic acid, 1, 2, 3, 4 for bute. Okay, and then double bonded O to OH there, and then all your other things there. All right, so that's C4H8O2. All right. You've got another one, methyl propandioic acid. So propandioic acid. Okay. Oh, methyl propandioic, 2 carboxylic acid groups, and it's a methyl, so that can only be here. And so that's what it'll look like. Okay, methyl propandioic acid. And then you can have a go at drawing 2-hydroxypentanoic acid. Okay. Let's have a look. Position of the carboxylic acid is not shown. Why? Because it's on the end, so it's usually going to have the number 1. Okay, so here's the list of things that you have to help you name it in order. So you see carboxylic acids gets the number 1 priority in naming stuff. Okay, so you have the carboxylic acids, then aldehydes, and ketones, alcohols, amines, triple bonds, and double bonds. All right, so let's have a look, and let's try and name a couple of things. Okay, so here's something. Okay, so here's your functional group. Okay, how long is the carbon chain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a pentan. Okay, a lot of you have been missing out the AN, so make sure that you remember it's not just pent, it's pent, and then an because they're all single bonds, right? And so it's pentanoic acid. Okay, right, pentanoic acid. Okay, what's this one here? Okay, you've got a functional group here. Oh, look, you've also got a halogen there. Okay, so how long is this chain? 2? Incorrect. It's not a 2 chain, it's a 3 chain. Don't forget the carbon that is part of the functional group. Okay, so how many is that? So that's 3. So this is pan. Okay, it's propanoic acid. And that chloro is on what number? So have a think. This is going to be number 1. It's got the greatest priority. If it was going to be number 2, so it's going to be a 2-chloropropanoic acid. Okay. And finally, this one here. Ooh, look, we've got a carboxylic acid there. We've got an alcohol there. How long's the carbon chain? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this is a butan. Okay, butan. Okay. Oic acid. Right, and it's got a hydroxy group. Where is the hydroxy group? Also on the number 2. So this is 2-hydroxybutanoic acid. All right, so that's that. That's how to name it. Nice and simple. Just remember it gets the number 1 priority, and don't forget to count the carbon that's in the functional group. Very, very important. All right, that's it.